Welcome to the Meets and Bounds tutorial number 1, working with backgrounds and layers. When we first start the program, the new Drawing Wizard window pops up. We're going to go ahead and close that and enter everything manually. Okay, the first thing we want to do is add a background picture. So we can click here or go under our window menu to Pictures, Background Picture. We're going to load the picture from File. We're going to choose this image, which is also in the tutorial 1 folder in your samples folder where the program is installed. The next thing we're going to do is change the settings to Other, and we're going to scale the pictures, make sure that's checked, and we're going to have the bottom right at center be the origin. Therefore, all the other layers can use that as a common origin. So we're going to close that. And in the drawing properties here, we're going to change the scale to 1 inch is 1,000 feet. And we're going to set the origin to the center of the drawing. Okay, now we are ready to go ahead and start entering our data for our first plot. So I'm going to go ahead and fill everything in here. And as you can see here, we made a mistake and put east here instead of the direction for this call going west. So to edit, we're going to highlight it, edit, and edit the line. Now we're going to rename our layer instead of calling it layer 0. And we'll name this plot 12. Okay, now we're going to add a new layer for the adjacent plot, plot 13. And what we're going to do here for our first call, we're going to have an invisible line to move it to the west of plot 12, so then it's mapped out accordingly. Okay, we're going to uncheck its visibility, add the line, and it shows it in red, showing that it is invisible. So now we want to remember to recheck this to add in our remaining 4 lines. Okay. Next, we're going to recenter this map on the screen. So we're going to go back to our background images. And to lock the offset, we're going to change that to plot 12. So then the background moves anywhere plot 12 moves. And then we can see that our cursor changes into a hand when we're over a layer. So now we're going to hold down the Shift key and click and drag that to center it. And that is the end of tutorial 1. In addition, try this by yourself with the view settings, floating pictures, labels and text, title blocks, lines and fills. You can customize this however you'd like. Here's an example.